Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do packing and prepping for studying abroad in Italy next semester. So today it is Thursday and I am leaving this Sunday. So I have a lot of final things to do and get ready. Mainly the biggest one that we'll be tackling today is actually packing. That's probably the most important, by far the biggest out of all of the tasks I have planned for today. But there's a couple of other little things I'm going to need to do to prep, mainly packing, but some other things such as going to CVS, grabbing all my prescriptions, contacting my bank to get so they know that I'm going abroad and they don't cancel my card thinking it's fraud. I feel like there's a couple of other things I need to get done, but that is going to be today's task. Oh, I need to call my flight company I can't find my booking code for whatever reason, and I want to log in and buy an extra bag so I can have a checked bag and a carry-on, because right now I only have a carry-on. So that's mainly the four main things I guess that needs to happen today, but mainly packing. So what I think I want to start off doing is my laundry, because that's the laundry situation. It's not pretty, it's not cute right now. So I think that's the first thing that needs to get done. And then honestly, I'm gonna go do that. And while I'm doing my laundry, I'm going to get my work done. And then I will come back and talk to y'all later once the laundry is done, and we're going to start the packing process in a bit, in an hour when the laundry will finish. But that is the first and most important thing that needs to get done right now. So we will go do that, and then I will talk to you guys again later. This is gonna be my main bag, this owl bag. And then this sparkly gold one that I've had since I was 10 years old is going to be my smaller carry-on. I'm gonna start with the big bag first, because I think the carry-on is mostly gonna hold all my toiletries and stuff, and this is gonna hold the bulk of my clothes, you know what I'm saying? In my opinion, this is such a big suitcase because I've literally been using this pink one until 2 years ago. So I'm really excited to have a normal size suitcase finally. Okay, I'm gonna start with all the big things like sweaters and jackets, because I will be there in October, November, December, where it will get cold, so I am gonna need some warmer things. I do also have these cute little packing cubes. I guess we're really just gonna go for it. I have this fancy jacket / rain jacket situation. It's actually not that big for a jacket, but it's still a jacket. Now I have a couple of sweaters. Those are the big sweaters and jacket. Next, jeans. I want to bring a couple of pairs of jeans. So this right here is my best pair of jeans. I will be bringing him. And then maybe one more. 2 pairs of jeans seems good. Should I bring these white jeans too? I feel like these could be cute. I'm gonna wait on these and see, because I don't know how many shirts I have that actually go with those. These plain black pants. Shorts. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I might pack one pair of jeans in this carry-on and keep a few outfits in here, just so I have a couple of outfits. I want to bring this cardigan because it's such a good cardigan. Let's start filling these packing cubes. All right, I'm gonna put all of my shirts in here. All of my shirts, literally all of my shirts fit in here. Okay, hot. I have another packing cube. I don't know what I'm gonna throw in here though. This packing cube, I'm gonna try, you can't see me. I'm gonna try and make skirts and dresses. The current dilemma is which black skirt, because I have 2 black skirts, and obviously you want a black skirt, and it doesn't make sense to bring 2, so which one? the cute one with the buttons or the like skater skirt vibe. I'm not sure. I can't tell. Okay, I decided buttons because as you can see, it's a little bit longer. So I just think it's a little more like appropriate and a little more comfortable. Holy moly, guacamole. That's like almost everything clothing wise. Oh, besides socks, underwears, and bras. But like this is pretty good so far. Okay. That was much easier than expected.
The next day.
Alright, I'm just gonna go over the packing situation right now. This is the main suitcase. This has like 90% of my clothes and a couple of shoes. So I'm gonna wear sneakers, and then I brought Birks, one pair of like nice flats, and then these little booties, which are rain boots, but also like look cute, so they can just be like cute booties to wear. You can see I have like the packing cube, some other clothes all packed. And then I'm also bringing, oh god, now it's all folded, this duffel bag that I'm like folding up and packing with me so that because I'll likely come back with more stuff than I brought, so I can just use this as an extra checked bag to bring all the stuff I have. Here I have like socks, bras, and then this front pocket has underwear. So this one is going to hold all my toiletries and makeup and stuff, but I also put in a couple of outfits, a pair of shorts, a pair of jeans, and a couple of shirts, just like to have. Also like in case they lose this bag, I'll have a couple of outfits. And then I also have like some underwear, socks, and a bra in this bag as well. And then I'll put all my toiletries and stuff here. So I have this bag for my skincare stuff. It's not fully all ready yet because I'm still using some of my skincare stuff, but I have an extra one too. I might need to use both of them because this one's almost full and it's not, I still have more stuff, so we might have two for that. This is a cute little jewelry box I bought on Amazon, so I put all of my favorite jewelry in here, and that's pretty much packed. I mean, I'll wear some jewelry when I'm going, obviously, just like a couple of and like a necklace or something, not too much, but that's mostly packed. I don't need too much jewelry, and I'll definitely buy more jewelry when I'm there. And this is all my makeup and hair stuff, so I bought this larger makeup bag to fit all of that. So you can see tons of makeup stuff, some scrunchies, headbands, little stuff like that. So this just has like basically all of that makeup and hair stuff I'm gonna need, and then all of these things I'm just gonna put in that bag. Honestly, I'll probably just put them in here now. Let's go. I have an extra packing cube, but I don't really think I'm gonna need it. And then yeah, and then the only thing else I really need to do is work on like my backpack and my school supplies stuff. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess, but that is really the next thing that needs to happen. We're doing good. We're making progress. We're like almost there. I think we're pretty... Oh, I need to bring a makeup palette. Okay, I can't decide which one. I'm only gonna bring one because these are my two makeup palettes. I have that like Michaela one and this Jeffree Star one, which I'm not proud of, but you know. Oh, sorry, I accidentally stopped recording. This one is a hot mess. This one's disgusting. Okay, let's see. This one has really pretty shades. Is this even in focus? I like that one. And then this one, ooh, oh my god, this is so hard to do with one hand. Has a lot more everyday shades. Oh, I don't know. This one, I feel like a lot more everyday, a lot more neutrals than a couple of fun colors. And this one's most, I might just go with this one because also, to be honest, I think I've had this one longer, so I kind of care about it. But this is more neutrals, and I think that's what they're going to be bringing. So I'll bring this palette.